Stretches. Shoulder pendulums. Rotations. Support your upper body on a sturdy chair or table. Place your feet shoulder width apart, and gently bend forward and keep your spine in a neutral position. Grab a light weight and allow your arm to hang freely toward the floor. Now slowly swing the weight in a controlled anti-clockwise direction for 30 seconds, before bringing it to a stop. Then swing it in a clockwise direction for another 30 seconds, while staying in a pain-free range of motion. Slowly bring the weight to a stop before placing it back down. You can combine this exercise with foam rolling to achieve maximum benefit in releasing a tight muscle. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Please support us on paypal.me.